This is a crazy story. This story is bananas.
Okay.
This a Rams wide receiver, Van Jefferson, he had to immediately leave the game after winning the Super Bowl. No post-game celebrations because his wife had gone into labor during the game. So there's footage of him grabbing his daughter, who was at the game with him, and just rushing out of there immediately after they had won. No time to celebrate. And so he goes straight to the hospital, and here you can see the photo. He's holding his newborn. I don't know if it's the hospital. Actually, it looks like maybe it's in his house. But either way, his wife, Samaria, went into labor during the game, and now he can reflect on a day unlike any other. A Super Bowl ring and the birth of his child.
Oh.
You'll never forget that day.
That's a hell of a day.
You'll never forget that day, man. What else can you ask for in a day? It's just
look at his face, too.
A wild combination of things and emotions. Can you imagine the combination of emotions? Like, it was a close game too. So you're up and down and knowing in the back of your head your wife is that pregnant, so that could happen at any moment, and you're focused on a game.
The pressure.
And then you get the immediate relief of winning, and then a phone call. And it's just, what a roller coaster, man. Wow.
Yeah, congrats.
I mean, I've had kids before.
Yeah.
And, actually, I did once get the call. I was on the ice playing, definitely not for the Super Bowl.
It wasn't for the Stanley Cup?
No, definitely not for the Stanley Cup. I was just playing a recreational game. And I got off the ice, and I checked my phone, and there was a message, get to the hospital. I had that experience.
Did you win that game?
I don't remember.
Oh, okay.
If it was the Super Bowl, I would have remembered. But yeah, I think he's definitely one up that experience. But I can tell you the emotions associated with that alone, the having the child and your wife being in labor is already big.
That's a lot to take.
You add the Super Bowl to it.
Add the Super Bowl and winning the ring.
It's crazy, man. A lot of emotions.